Hey guys, this is Mando, and this is the tutorial for LEGO Transformers Skywarp. Okay guys, so here is Skywarp, and I'm going to do a tutorial on him now. He has the best design in my opinion, because it's not super complex, but it looks really, really cool. So I'm going to show you how to build him the same way I did Starscream. So yeah, let's get right into the build. Here are all the pieces that you'll need for the leg section, and you just need it doubled. Okay, first off we'll grab this piece, and we're going to take a 1x2 and place that right. Then you're going to take this grill piece and just put that right there, and then just put two black 1x2s right there, like so. Next we're going to take a clip and place that right there. Oh, oops, sorry, put it this way. Then you're going to take one of these bracket pieces and put it on like that. And then you're going to take one of these bracket pieces, put them here, and put some studs on the bottom like that. Then you're going to take a 1x1 and place that right there. And take this curved piece and just stick that right on like that. Next we're going to take this sloped thing and just put that right here. And then have the stud here. Put that there. And put that there. There you have the leg. Then you're just going to build another one, and there you have two legs. So for some reason this foot's gone. Here are the pieces that you'll need for the arm section, and again you'll need it doubled. Okay, first we're going to take this piece and then take this clip thing piece, put that right there, and put this 1x1 right there. Then take this 1x1 with the stud on the side and put that there, and put a stud here. And then finally put this 1x1 right there, and then just make that again, and there you have the arms. Here are all the pieces that you'll need for the head and nose cone section. Okay, so first we're going to take this piece and then take a 1x1 and place that right there, and then get another 1x1 and put that right there. And take a 1x1 with the stud on the side and put this right here. And then take this 1x2, put that there. Then we're going to take these cheese slope pieces and put them nose cone section. Here are all the pieces that you'll need for the wing section. You just need it doubled. First off, let's take this 1x4 and put a 1x3 on it like that. And then take a 1x2 and put this right here like that. Then take a 1x1 with the hole in it, put it in there like that. Then take a 1x4. Oh wait, sorry. I built that backwards. This is supposed to be like this. No, like this. I'm sorry. Then take a 1x4, put this right there, like that. Then take a 1x1 and put that right in here, like that. Then take a 1x1, put put this right there, and then take a 1x1 clip, put that right there, then take this weird piece and Technic pin, just put that in a hole, and then put this weird piece here, and get this wing piece, put that there, and then put this 1x4 tile right there, and then you just build that again, and there you have the wings. Finally, we have the weird section again. Let's do this. Here are the pieces you'll need for both of the no raise and the waist section. Okay, so we're going to take this grow piece, put that there, and then take this 1x2, put this here, and then put a 1x1 here, and then put another grow piece there. And we're just going to do that again. So this piece here, this piece here, that piece here, and the grow piece there. Then you can just, why is it not going on? Hold on. There we go. Then you can just stack these, because you stack the no raise in jet mode. Then take this 2x3 piece, put the 1x3 piece here, and the 1x2 piece here. I think this goes somewhere over here. Let's just keep them separated. There we have that section. And there we have the combining part. And yes, I found the foot piece. So first off, we're going to take this piece and place that right there. And then just put this also right there. Then we're going to take the nose cone section. Oh look. Oh yeah. Put that there. And turn this around. Wait up. Wait, hold on. Sorry. I built that. I'm supposed to actually put these more up. Actually go up. Just put it like that. Sorry. Then you're gonna put this nose cone piece, the head, like that. Then we're gonna take this no ray thing that I showed you, and just put this down. Hold up. What the? So I keep messing up. This is supposed to be like that. Sorry, I keep messing up. There, now you can put that right there. Then we can put the arms here and here. Then so much mess ups, guys. I'm so sorry. Let's just skip to the other leg. There we go. We have completed Skywarp. I hope you liked my video, guys. Go check out my Starscream video and my future Thundercrack video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because then it will help me to make more videos, and it kind of helps me, makes me more happy. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one.